Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the Winter Magic Limited Edition 2024. So nothing particular about the packaging. So we have this Spartan. With this translucid scales. Winter spirit, I would say. Christmas, maybe. With charm, which is like a Christmas tree. It has 12 functions, thickness 16 millimeters, and it weighs 59 grams. So as I said, it's a Spartan, so very nothing particular about it. Main blade. The small blade. Then we have the can opener with the flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, a larger flathead screwdriver, and a wire bend stripper. The corkscrew. The reamer hole. And tweezers. Finally, the toothpick. Also have the keyring with the charm, and we have the 12 functions of this one. So I'm not really a big fan of the model. Spartan is nothing exceptional about it. The scales are okay, I would say. But yeah, for the price, it's in Europe 55 euros. So it must be something similar for other countries. Oh yeah, that's the Winter Magic 2024. As a reminder, last year it was the Cadet, which was really beautiful. My favorite, I would say, with the I think it was the Pioneer X in 2021, something like that. A-locks are really beautiful. So yeah, that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And in the meantime, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.